Welcome back, adventurers, and today we head on over to the ultimate Disney pin trading event to check in, grab all of our pins, unbox, and do some trading. So make sure you hang out with us as we go on another fun Disney pin trading adventure. What is up, adventurers, and welcome back over here to Coronado, and welcome back to the ultimate Disney pin event. Today is the day one, so this is the first day. This is check-in day. This is the day we're going to go in, get all of our RSP pins that we've collected, do a little trading, hang out, and everything else. So we're going to show you guys everything we've got, show you the space and everything else. So make sure you haven't done so you are subscribed, leave a like, and welcome back to pin trading. This is our second year in doing this event, and so this is kind of runs over 2 days. So first day, like I said, today is all about getting checked in, getting our pins, getting our credentials so that we can come in. Tomorrow, though, is the ultimate pin day, and we actually have the higher package, like the Jubilee package, which means tomorrow we get an hour and a half before everyone else gets in, and they still have very limited capacity of this. So, but as you can see right here, right behind us, that is the line. We have the earliest check-in at 12:30, and that's because we do have the Jubilee package. So we're gonna go on in, and then there should be other things. But then later on today, they're gonna open up, I think it's this hall. Yeah, that's the hall down, and there will be actual trading you could do with other people. But it's gonna be a really fun day. It's gonna be fun. You guys will get to hang out with us as we have to wait, unfortunately, in line to get in, but it should be good, fun. I'm excited. This is also gonna tell you how we know we're not like extreme pin trading. Like, we're big into pin trading and everything else, but I see people walking in with suitcases worth of pins. Now tomorrow during the pin event, we're not allowed to carry much more than a single bag and everything. You can't bring in all the other stuff, even at the trading area, but everything outside in the hallway here at Coronado, you can do whatever you want. But like I said, I've watched people come in with suitcases worth of pins. Like, it tells you people that are very, very into pin trading. And like I said, we're into pin trading, but like, we're not that into pin trading. Well, thanks. Nice to meet you. Yeah, absolutely. I love your lanyard. Yes, I do.
I'm usually decorated for Halloween, but I wore a lanyard today. I thought I wanted to fit in with everybody.
Oh, you definitely fit in better.
Thank you. Where are you from?
We're from Orlando.
You are? I'm local. I'm from Disney Springs. Are you ready to do some pin trading today?
Absolutely.
Me too. I love pin trading. You know why?
Why?
I'm very dependable. That's silly. Well, listen, I hope you had fun today. I'm glad you're here.
We're glad you're here too.
Thank you. See you guys later.
Have fun.
I'm not really going very fast.
That's fine. Everyone.
I like to think I'm Lightning McQueen, but I'm watch. Ready? Are you watching?
Yeah, we're watching. Yeah.
Here we go. Ready? I'm a slow poke. It's this carpet.
Yeah, we'll blame the carpet.
I mean, it's a beautiful carpet. Don't get me wrong, but I'm going really slow. See you later. Oh, I'm so slow.
So right now we're in line, we're right here, and so let's go down, around, and then into the last door right there. But the thing about it is that we currently have to wait, because we took till 12:30, with 8 minutes until they open the doors, and this is just for us to pick up pins. This is not the pin trading, this is not all that, but when we do get our pins and everything, and we get everything else, we are going to sit down and show you everything we got, so you guys can see what we got.
Oh, we're talking about the camera?
Yeah.
I was gonna give him I pooped today, which I should have done. Disney Princess, let me wear that.
Yeah, the Disney Princess. I thought it was
There was one, it was like Mike
This is
Wazowski
pretty.
and it's a magic mic on it.
my
I was like
gosh.
that. I was like, you probably would like that. And then I got another one was Princess Security. I was like, you wear that too, which is the worst one.
Princess Security.
Look at the statue for this year. Oh, definitely we'll be coming back to take pictures in front of that here in a little bit. It's so cool. I love it. Now the question is, where do we get in line? I think right there, right where they are at. Look at the lines for later on when it's insane here. This is wild. So we got at the end of the line. It is 12:38 right now. So let's see how long it takes. So it took us about a little over an hour and 15 minutes. We're currently picking up our pins right now. We are going to show you every single thing we got, from what Kayla got to what I got to what Patricia got to what Dom got, so you guys can see everything we ended up getting during this. But we're going to go over to eat lunch over at Coronado Spring, like over at the main lunch area, to show their stuff and get away from everything because we're all very hungry. All right, we've officially picked up all of our bags, and now, like I said, we are going to head on over to go get lunch, and then we're going to show you guys everything, including Patricia and Dom ended up getting some of the blind boxes, so we're going to go do those really quick as well. They do have all these RSPs over here you can end up getting as well, but I'm not going to show you them because like we already just looked through all of them and nothing's like super catching our eye, but for sure we are hungry, so food time. Everything we've got so far is one, we got our credentials, and I actually kind of like this credential better than the After Dark one last year. What I do like is they do give you the full breakdown of the entire itinerary. So they do send you an itinerary, but this gives you everything. And then we do have a thing where we can redeem for a goodbye gift as well. We have 2 of the vending machine each. So like, because there's 4 of us, there's going to be 8 we could be able to get. And I think it's only 8 pins in that set that they have for it. I don't know. But I like the fact that we have 2 each. And then something that they give for everyone. So everyone gets this pin. It's a 2025, and I do love it because it's the Spaceship Earth, and it has the wand like it was back when it was Spaceship Earth with the 2000, the Millennial Celebration. But because we were in the Jubilee package, we ended up getting this pin as well, where it says the Disney Authentic Official 25 Anniversaries with Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Donald, Goofy, and Daisy. And so it's a limited edition only. So both of these are limited edition of 1,275 each. So that's insane. And then one of the things they do come along with is you do have your lanyard you connect to it. The only thing that's annoying is that and then this is connected to it as well. So we will be cutting that off. Pins. So these are not our pins, but this is the ones that our friend Patricia got, or Patty, or wherever you hear us say it throughout the weekend. But she ended up getting one of these big jumbo pins. It's a limited edition of 500. It's what they call a carnival set. And you got Mickey, Donald, Goofy, and Pete. And you got Chip and Dale down there as they're trading pins. One of the other ones that's actually this is actually a really good one. It's gonna be a really good trader. Is this Muppet Carnival? You got Miss Piggy, Animal, Gonzo, Sam Eagle, and one of the chickens. Part of this, I actually have a Stitch one of this, but this is the Mickey like just trader one, and actually it's pretty cool. And I'll show you on the Stitch one. The book actually does flip back and forth, so we will go look at that one. And then she ended up getting the Chip and Dale. Pretty much, this is like how I feel like is our house. All of the pin backs just everywhere are absolutely insane. So part of there was 4 of these sets. It was called You Wish You Were Here, and these are pins originally from previous pin events. And so like this is the one Patricia got because she really wanted the Walt Disney one, and this one is from it all started with Walt from 2006. You then have Treasure Planet from the 2005 pin event. Then you have Gaston from the 2013 event. Then you have from the One Family pin event from 2022. Now this one is also $150 for just these 4 pins. So it is quite intense. But I like the fact that they're like from previous year because they are celebrating all the 25th anniversary stuff as well. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and unbox one of these. So this is one of Patty's, right? Yeah. This is Patty's. We're gonna go ahead and open up one of these. And so far what we've gotten are actually really cute. I'm actually gonna show you but I wanna unbox one of these. These are horrible to open. Okay, so let's get ready.
Aesthetically.
Oh, another Pooh one.
I got it!
So look, they come on a corkboard already.
Oh, it's upside.
And like they ended up getting getting Figment with Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And then, oh, Patricia's got the really good one.
Yes.
This is the one we all kind of were like, if we could have one, this is the one we want because it's got like one of the Disney signs.
Which one did Mitchell open?
Okay, this is wild. Oh, it's Heroes and versus Villains. It's a Hero versus Villains one. So it's a 2-pin set one.
No, babe.
That's crazy.
Oh, let's see.
Ooh.
Cute.
So then Madam Mim as well. Oh, I kind of like the fact they have like a little spot in the back where you can hang them.
You're fine.
It's actually, I actually like that being as a way to get them to have them pulled. Okay, so this is the ones that we ended up getting. Is that we ended up getting another one of You Were Here series because Kayla really wanted the Love is a Wagging Tail, and this is from the 2017 event.
I know.
And then you have Donald, and this one from the pen event from looks like 2015. Mickey Circus from 2012, and Tarzan and Jane from the 2020 event. That's from the Diamond Celebration. That again, another $150 for that one. This is definitely going on my Stitch boards. Might go in the middle, but I got the 25th anniversary Stitch pin, and I'm really excited because I think this is going to be like the center point of my board. So there's a limited edition of only $750 for this one. I do have the Stitch one that we were showing earlier of with Mickey, and I do want to open this one. So you see,
Are you okay with the trade? No.
let's see, look, you can move the pin. It actually moves back and forth. Oh, look, it's got a little train on there. Look at that, that's my train collection.
Are you mad that I won't?
And then here's another one of the ones. So I think there was 4 of these.
Yes.
There's 4 different ones, and so we only got 3 out of the 4 because this one is Dom's, and it's because she really wanted. You wanted that one?
No,
you wanted the Spaceship Earth one.
I don't know
So she wanted the Spaceship Earth one,
gonna be a very
which was from the Journey Through Time. Then you have Orange Bird on here, and it says that first bite of sweet treat, and it's from the Magic Happen. So this was the first pen event I think what Kayla went to. I think.
Yeah.
This was from After Dark, which is one I went to last year, and then this is from Pen Celebration from 2002. So that's a good one. But like I said, she only wanted this one, and then the rest of these, I think she's gonna end up trying to trade away for. But again, $150 for that. So and there was 4 of these, and I saw people walking out with probably 2 of each of these, like 8 or 10 boxes of these. Tells you how expensive this can get. And then the very last one I want to show you is actually the one that I was really excited about. Is this? It's a yesterday to today pin, and it's Mickey riding a train with like Spaceship Earth, the 2000 celebration, and then look, a little Mickey flag. This is actually really cool, and this is only a limited edition of 250. I'm stoked for this. I'm really, really excited for this. Actually, this is gonna get put up somewhere really nice.
Oh, this one?
All right, so now it is time to go from where the food court is all the way back down. So I'm gonna show you guys how far of a walk it is to get from here all the way down to where the pen area is. And also, I thought we weren't gonna be able to do the pinball thing machine today, but it sounds like that they do have it in the trading space. And I'll show you guys kind of what the trading space looks like. I won't show it if we do trade with anyone just because that's weird, but let's make the walk because it's gonna be a little bit of a walk. All right, what is actually amazing is that they do actually have the Gumball machine pins back here. So I'm gonna go and get in line. I'm gonna go get my 2. And then I'm gonna take you guys back to where we're at, and then we're going to undo them. But I do want to show you guys what pins we can possibly get from the set. So these are gonna be 1 to trade pin sets. You got the 5 right here. You got Mickey Pluto, Hong Kong, them. Then you got these as well. So let's go and do ours. Whoop. There's one. Let's see. And then now we're going to do another little. And there we go. All right. Let's take this back. Let's go see what we got.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. I just didn't see it on there, so I was like, I don't know if you want it.
Yeah. We have a few like the main collection, the Wade A at home.
All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Oh!
Hey, okay.
Timon and Pumbaa.
Maybe I'll take that one.
Yeah, I was gonna say that might be a keeper for Kayla. And like I said, we all had
Already
2
did it?
each.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Oh, Hong Kong.
Oh. Oh.
It's from Mystic Manor. So like I said, we ended up getting the Hong Kong Wanna Trade one. And then like I said, we got this one, but Kayla was able to get, and then we have the Aristocat one as well. So kind of like this one. I kind of glad because we were kind of lucky to get the Timon and Pumbaa one, because that one might be one Kayla wants to keep for her personal collection. So now one of the kind of cool things they do is have over here as well is that you can buy pin things. They do have mystery packs. They have some things. Tomorrow they will have any of the extra RSP pins, so like the ones that you had to purchase ahead of time. They'll have some of those here tomorrow as well. They do also have a lot of the pin trading stuff. They've got They do have a lot of the artwork with pins and everything else. So, but it is pretty insane, like the amount of people in here pin trading right now. So this is one of their big conference room here at Coronado Springs. And when I tell you, this is one room, and this is even the room that we'll be pin trading in tomorrow. We'll actually be in the room over, and then where the room we were in to start with. And so you've got all of this. They even have lines put on the floor for people. Like I said, tomorrow during the event, they actually have some of the RSP sell, including a lot of the mystery pack. What's pretty wild is the mystery pack. There is one set that people are losing their minds over, and it's the 25th anniversary mystery pin set, where it actually turns into a 25. So that's actually kind of like, it's kind of the wild scene of people have been running around asking. So like me and Kayla kind of like, did we miss out on potentially a good chance for some good trades and not get any of the mystery pack 25th anniversary ones, because everyone's looking for them. So the downside would have been is we would have gotten it, and we would have gotten ones that people already have. So because it's like 40 pieces to complete it, so you had to buy like 10 to 20 boxes to get it. So you really have to rely on trading for that. And then depending on how many they have left over, because it all depends on how much is left over, they may have more of the like Gumball machine ones available for tomorrow still. But again, those will be sold separately without like anything else. And like when I tell you, like walking down, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 rows of tables and everything else. And you can keep on going on down. Like it is crazy. You have pins from the early days. You have people with some collections that are worth probably more than like probably my car, Kayla's car combined. Maybe some people have stuff that's worth more than like our house, but it just tells you how intense pin trading can be. So if you're just getting into it, don't be afraid, don't be surprised, but just don't worry that if you don't find the things you want to find, because it is a lot to take in. Alrighty, so originally the plan was that we were going to try to spend a little bit more time doing some pin trading and stuff, but it does sound like we are ready to go. So, as per usual, I'm going to show you guys the pins we actually traded for. Now, these are going to be pins we traded with other people. It was not Disney related, so unfortunately, people can't say no, and we did have quite a couple of them today, but I think we ended up doing really well. Tomorrow, we're not going to bring any of our big books tomorrow, because with all the sitting we'll be doing. Plus, tomorrow we'll have these bad boys, which are the things that are not allowed at Disney. That's little collapsible stools that we'll use. But overall, I'm very excited, especially with some of the pins we got, especially me getting this one. There's a lot of people I've talked to who said that they wanted this pin and they didn't get it. So I'm very, very happy to get that. So if you guys did enjoy the adventures today of our pin trading adventures, our first day of the Ultimate Disney Pin Trading event, make sure you are subscribed, because tomorrow is the day that we will be doing all the pin trading. So if you haven't done so, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, leave a like, and hope you guys enjoyed our pin trading adventures. With all that being said though, as we head on out, we'll see y'all tomorrow for our next pin trading adventures.